Hey guys, it's Ammo today, and today I'm gonna show you the super awesome creeper game. Wow.
I gotta work on my Elmo voice. That does not sound natural at all. So, it's been a few days since the public release of this game. If you haven't seen that video or the release of it, you should definitely check it out. On the other hand, this version is not publicly available, but it is still being actively developed. So, 1.11, what does it introduce? I wonder. I'm going to run this one line, okay? Guess what it is? You totally do not need to look at the CCL wiki guide to know what this means. You actually can't, because this actually isn't included, but I'll include that later. Anyways, I run it, I teleport for some reason, and then ta-da! Now, assuming that you've seen the last video, or all of the other really stupid ones on this channel, you'd know that this item has been around for a while. So, why am I getting into my inventory? Now, as of right now, the bombs don't actually do anything. It's because it's no longer a dummy item anymore. See this circle? I can place bombs. And since they're made of metal, they bounce around a lot. So check this out. I can kick it like a soccer ball, and it follows my foot pattern perfectly. Like, I seriously love this. Sorry for the lag spike. I recently upgraded my version of Windows. Honestly, I don't like it so far. Anyway, you can kind of kick it around. It also stops at the edges of the screen, and it can interact with blocks just like you normally would. Also, if you have more than one bomb in front of you, you can kind of move them both in sequence. It looks a little bit weird, but I mean, physics in this game are supposed to be broken, so I'm just gonna leave it be. I also like trying to place bombs inside the creeper because it looks kind of funny. Watch this. Pew! Oh my gosh, what? I'm not totally sure what's happening. I'm gonna move away from the crime scene. Like I told you, physics, broken, yeah. But that doesn't mean you can't do fun things with them. Obviously, the staple of a bomb is that they can explode, and if you click on them, they turn red. Oh, wow, that was very quick. Okay, essentially, every bomb spawns in with a random kind of explosion time, and if you click on it, the bomb becomes unstable, and then it has a random amount of time to explode, anywhere between 0 to 5 seconds. And in the case of that first bomb I detonated, it was actually under a second, which I've never had before. There is also the fact that if you spawn a bomb from super high up, if the bomb falls more than 1,000 pixels, it will also auto-detonate. Alright, I now have a ladder, so here we go. We're gonna drop it from like very high up, and then I'm gonna run off and show you. So see how it turns red? Look at that. See, it basically becomes unstable if it falls more than 1,000 pixels. I really like that feature. Another fun thing you can do is that you can actually get bombs to bounce off of other bombs because of that thing that you saw earlier. Anyway, if I place another bomb kind of right next to it, they both kind of bounce. They bounce way farther than they need to. They're kind of like bouncy balls, but honestly, it's so hilarious. I'm just leaving it in. Like, this isn't supposed to be a realistic simulator, okay? This is supposed to be stupid and supposed to be very, very, like, unrealistic. Another fun thing I like to do is trapping it in a corner. If I move this bomb over to the corner here, you can see there's a clear problem here. And if I jump, oh boy. Another thing I like doing is trapping bombs in a hole. Here, I'll do that really quickly. So, you can see this weird little thing here, so I can, just kind of put a bomb in it. Anyways, if I place another one in the hole, oh boy. Oh yeah, I gotta show you guys another fun thing. Check this out. Guess what? The bombs get to interact with fans. So I can just move this into the fan and that actually kind of worked instantly. Check this out, B. Oh, okay, so it's floating because of a mat.floor error, alright? So this takes the floor function of the distance from the fan and then adds that to its motion vector. So I placed it in the perfect spot to where the motion vector cancels the gravity motion. So it's actually kind of floating right now if I place it lower. There we go. Anyways, that's bombs for you. That's also glitchy bounding boxes for you too. And just if you're wondering, they also do hit the bottom of blocks, so just watch out for that. And they also tend to like bounce from the bottom like a lot faster, so you might want to watch out for that too.
Anyway, leave a like and subscribe, and yeah, goodbye.